Which is the renewable source of energy among the following? Sun. The energy of a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. What is the work done on a satellite by the Earth's gravitational force? Zero, because the force exerted by the Earth on the satellite is perpendicular to the displacement of the satellite. The momentum of a body is both A and B. Identify from the following which is true about work. Unit of work is Newton meter. If 20 Newton of force is applied on a body and the body is displaced by 2 meter, then work done on the body is force acting on a body F is equal to 20 Newton. F is equal to 20 Newton. Displacement of the body S is equal to 2 meter. Formula used W is equal to F multiply S cos theta, where W is the work done by the force and F is the force acting on the body and S is the displacement and theta is the angle between the direction of force and the displacement vector. Since the body is displaced in the direction of applied force, so theta is equal to 0. W is equal to F20 S. The value of S is 2 cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 140 joule. The commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour. Dash is the process in which two or more atomic nuclei join to form a single heavier nucleus. Nuclear fusion. Which of the following is not a stored form of energy? Kinetic energy. If the force applied on a body displaces it in the opposite direction, then the work done on the body by the applied force is negative. Power is defined as both A and C. Work done per unit time, energy consumed per unit time. The ratio of change in the kinetic energy of a body to the time taken by the body for the change in energy is equal to the power extended by the body. A player transfers a momentum of 12 kg meter per second to a ball of mass 400 gram which is at rest. Find the work done on the ball. Momentum is equal to 12 kg meter per second. Momentum is equal to mv is equal to 12. Mass is equal to 400 gram. When it converted into kg, it is 0.4 multiply V is equal to 12. V is equal to 12 multiply 10 into 10 over 4. V is equal to 30 meter per second. Velocity is equal to 30 meter per second. Now we have to find work done. Now work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Work done is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. As the ball was initially at rest, so initial kinetic energy is equal to 0. Work done is equal to final kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Work done is equal to half mv multiply velocity. Work done is equal to half mv is equal to 12, its momentum, velocity 30, it's 180 joule. A body at rest at a certain height possesses which energy? Gravitational potential. Person A reached the second floor of a hospital by lift and the person B reached the same floor by stairs. If both their masses are same, then the work done on them against the gravitational force is the same. In which of the following state of matter the distance between the molecules is minimum? Solid. Which of the following is the cause of tobacco addiction? Nicotine. When nicotine is taken in small amounts, it causes pleasant feelings and distracts the user from the unpleasant feelings. This makes the user wants to use tobacco more. Which of the following is not considered as a temperature scale? Calorie. Temperature is a measure of the hotness and coldness of the object. Temperature is measured in various scales such as Kelvin, Celsius, and Fahrenheit. Which of the following is the first trophic level in the food chain? Green plants. Animals whose primary source of food is based on plants are known as herbivorous. Animals whose primary source of food is based on plants are called herbivorous. Examples of herbivorous animals are cow, goat, sheep, giraffe, and many more. Which of the following device is used to measure the atmospheric humidity? Hygrometer. A hygrometer is used as a weather instrument as it is designed to measure the humidity in air or atmosphere. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. The uncomfortable sticky feeling in summers is due to the high humidity in the air. Which of the following energy is stored in the earth? Geothermal energy. Herpetology is the branch of geology that is related with the study of amphibians and reptiles. Which of the following is necessary for photosynthesis? Chlorophyll. Photosynthesis is a biological process through which plants manufacture their food with light from the sun and inorganic sources. They produce glucose molecules. The plants serve as a food source for organisms incapable of producing their food. The pollutants that decomposable and manageable in nature are termed as biodegradable Pollutants. A biodegradable substance can be defined as a material that can be easily decomposed by microorganisms or decomposers. They can be easily decomposed and manageable so that they do not add any type of pollution. The ozone layer is present in stratosphere. The mosquito repellent that is used in the homes in the form of coil, liquids, etc. are insecticide. Paper is made up of grass and bamboo. Paper is a thin and flat material that is made up of crushed wood or cloth. It is generally used for writing, printing, drawing, etc. Which of the following is the hottest planet of the solar system? Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the hottest planet in the solar system. Although Mercury is the first planet closer to the Sun, it is the second hottest planet of the solar system. Which of the following gas destroys the chlorophyll present in the plant leaves? SO2. Sulfur dioxide SO2 is the pollutant that causes the bleaching of plants. The chlorophyll pigment which is present in the plant leaves is destroyed due to the presence of high amount of sulfuric acid. CPCB stands for Central Pollution Control Board. The Central Pollution Control Board was established in 1974. It provides technical services to the Ministry of Environment and Forests. It promotes the cleanliness of streams and wells in different areas of the states to prevent and control water pollution. Which of the following are the negative health effects of noise pollution? All of the above. Noise pollution is defined as an excessive amount of noise that affects the environment in a disruptive manner. Although noise pollution is not visible and does not smell like air pollution, it still disrupts the natural balance. Some common effects of noise pollution on human beings include hearing loss or disorder, stress and headache, high blood pressure, and many more. Which of the following are the negative? Which of the following is non-luminous? Moon. The objects that do not emit light energy by themselves are said to be non-luminous objects. For example, moon, etc. Which of the following is the coldest planet of the solar system? Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. Neptune is the eighth planet of our solar system, and therefore it is the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is the fourth largest planet in the solar system. Which of the following energy is converted into electrical energy by a battery or a cell? Chemical energy. A battery stores the chemical energy and converts it into electrical energy. A battery usually consists of a group of cells and can supply the power for long durations. A cell is a single unit device that also converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Which of the following is used in the thermometer to measure the body temperature? Mercury. Mercury is the only metal that remains in the liquid state at room temperature. Mercury has a boiling point, so it is suitable to measure the higher temperatures. It is used in thermometers because of the high coefficient of expansion. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. How many chambers does a human heart have? 4. Human heart is divided into 4 chambers. A typical heart has 2 upper and 2 lower chambers. The upper chambers, the right and left atria, receives incoming blood. The lower chambers, the more muscular right and left ventricles, pump blood out of the heart. Which of the following is the main reason for producing the atmospheric greenhouse effect? Absorption and re-emission of infrared radiations by the atmosphere. The salinization can be defined as accumulation of salts in the soil. Salinization is the process of increasing the salt content in the soil. Salts enter the soil via irrigation. Depletion of vegetation occurs due to the increased salinization of the soil. The main reason for blueness of the sky is due to the scattering of sunlight by air molecules. A clear and cloudless sky is blue because the air molecules scatter blue light more than the red light from the sun. At the time of sunset, we see orange and red colors because of the scattering out of blue light. Which of the following is the cause of soil pollution? Acid rain. When rain droplets absorb the sulfur and nitrogen oxides present in the air pollution, it will be acid rain. Acid rain weakens the trees. Acid rain makes the water more acidic, which results in more absorption of aluminium in the soil, which is carried into streams and lakes. What is the water vapor? It is the gaseous phase of water. Water vapor can be defined as the gaseous phase of water which is produced due to the evaporation or boiling of liquid water. It can be produced due to the ice sublimation. It is transparent in nature. The part of the plant that evaporates water is stomata. Stomata are a pore that is found in the epidermis of leaves, stems, and other organs of the plants. It controls the rate of gas exchange. Which of the following is the cause of melanoma, skin cancer? Ozone depletion. Skin cancer can be defined as the abnormal growth of skin cells. Ozone depletion means the thinning of the ozone layer present in the upper atmosphere. It is very harmful to nature and the atmosphere. It might result in various health issues such as skin cancer, etc. The yellowness of Taj Mahal is an effect of acid rain. At what time of the day relative humidity in the environment is at minimum? when the air temperature is higher. What is hibernation? Winter sleep. What is an estivation? Summer sleep. Which of the following gas is present in the air in maximum amount? Nitrogen. The solar cell converts which energy into electrical energy? Solar energy. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Wind. The process of changing the solid into liquid by supplying the heat is called as? Melting. Melting is the process of changing the solid into liquid when the heat is applied to it. Melting occurs when the internal energy of solid increases by supplying heat or pressure. Which of the following is said to be a biodegradable waste? Eggshell. Eggshells are biodegradable and can decompose very quickly. An eggshell has a calcium carbonate of about 95%. Sugar is a form of carbohydrate. Sugar is a term that generally refers to sweet flavored substances. Carbohydrates are an important source of fuel for our body. Sugar is a generic name of soluble carbohydrates. The uses of CFCs are: all of the above. CFCs means chlorofluorocarbons are used to manufacture the blowing agents for foams and packing materials as refrigerants and as solvents. Which of the following has maximum speed? Light. Wildlife Week is celebrated from 22nd October to 8th October. It is celebrated with the aim of protect flora and fauna in India.